International law is an independent system of law existing outside the legal orders. Hello everyone, today myself Devanshi and now I am going to discuss with you the scope of international law. International law is an independent system of law existing outside the legal order of particular state. It differs from domestic legal system in a number of respects. For example, although the United Nations General Assembly, which consists of representative of some 190 countries, has the outward appearance of a legislature. It has no power to issue binding laws, rather its resolutions serve only as recommendation except in specific cases and for certain purposes within the UN system, such as determining the UN budget, admitting new member of the UN, and with the involvement of Security Council, electing new judges to international courts of justice. Also, there is no system of court with comprehensive jurisdiction in international law. So there is a lot more scope for international law, but right now I am discussing the scope of international law in a very brief. So that's it for today. Thank you.